Good sealing keeps freshness in and waste out. A strong package protects what matters most, your product. Syntegon has been building packaging machines for decades. Over the years, our sealing technology has continuously evolved. Intensive research and long-standing experience have made our machines among the best on the market today. One key factor is the sealing and cutting process, a critical step that largely determines the speed and performance of your entire system. In case of a change in your film structure, processing time, or product, we will work with you to develop optimized sealing jaws and knives tailored exactly to your needs. Our close collaboration with you allows us to meet your specific requirements. Whether you need a pull-open function or a customized cutting profile that enhances your package design and improves end-user convenience. Our sealing profiles are tailored to your packaging materials: plastic or paper, thick or thin, tear-resistant or flexible. Our goal is simple: achieve the highest output without ever compromising quality. Whether zigzag or straight, our knives are designed to last longer, run faster, and cut cleaner. Made from high-quality, hardened materials, they easily withstand the demands of modern, high-speed equipment. With our state-of-the-art machinery and highly trained employees, we deliver the precision this technology requires. Automated, round-the-clock manufacturing helps us reduce costs while maintaining the highest quality standards. We keep standardized raw parts in stock, enabling fast production and quick delivery of spare parts. Join us in elevating your sealing and cutting performance. Co-create with us, and let's co-succeed.